everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we want to show some interesting places in Yazd, so walk with us. First of all, we had a walk in old ancient city of Yazd and choose a cafe named خانه نقاشی in Old Town. And this was so interesting because as you see, the خانه نقاشی cafe is like our grandma and grandpa's house, and it was really interesting for me. You might don't know about the old houses in Iran, but our grandparents used to live in houses like this cafe, and it was so nostalgic for me. We planned to have lunch in this cafe, but they didn't serve lunch at the moment. So we take a look at the beauty of this cafe and then left the cafe to reach our next destination. The museum is located in the historic city of Yazd, known for its rich cultural heritage and traditional architecture. It's usually open from 9 a.m. and closes 9 p.m. and welcomes visitors who are interested in exploring the significance of light in Persian culture. We came to the Light and Illumination Museum, which is located in Yazd, and this museum is composed from several sections, and they try to show different aspects of light and illumination in different parts. Stay with us to show you different parts of this museum. The Light and Illumination Museum in Yazd is a place where you can learn about the history and importance of lighting in Persian culture. It showcases various traditional lighting methods like candles, oil lamps, and lanterns, as well as modern lighting methods. It might be interesting for you to know in this place, visitors are invited to engage with light in a hands-on manner, exploring how it influences perception, art, and technology. The museum's design and layout are tailored to create an environment where light becomes an element of discovery and wonder, encouraging visitors to see the world around them in a new light.